Ano ang pinaka-hottest selling cake mo?
This one, the queso de bola.
Ito talaga.
Yes, yan ang unang cake na ginawa ko 2013. I have a regular customer that was January 2013. Umorder siya ng yema cake. Naubusan ako ng cheese.
Oh.
Since January, may queso de bola.
Oo.
So I told him, can I use queso de bola instead of cheddar? He said yes. And then the rest is history.
So, what product made you a millionaire?
This, the queso de
Oh
bola
my... So, naging milyonaryo si Chef RV dahil dito.
The queso de bola cake.
Nakaka-encourage ang kwento mo.
Oo.
So, it goes to show sa ating mga manonood, if talagang nahanap nila yung that perfect product, no? Basta tuloy-tuloy lang, pwede talaga sila maging milyonaryo.
Yes.
Oo.
And kailangan i-ano mo siya, i-maintain mo yung quality.
Oo.
And ngayon, dalawa na sila, pati yung bibingka.
Doon din.
Yes.